Somebody get the body bags. We gonna put the beats in them now. Put them, season them. Put them on a beat with me, then I'm eating them. Get away from the table. You rappers ain't hungry enough. You rappers ain't hungry like us. Talk about me like I'm here. Talk about you like you was. Nurse came in my room, she told me I'm sick in the head. I'm in hip-hop's hospital bed with a pad and a pen and a brace in my neck. They told me that I'm never leaving. Why? I'm as ill as it gets. Any rapper they say they run in the game, I'ma come in their section and cut out their legs. Strap a grenade in my head, pull out the pen. My music is mind-blowing. ยิ่งชิมรู้ตัวเตาดีกว่าเตาแต่ยิ่งเธอกูสิเพื่อก็ตีอยู่ที่เท้าใส่จุกกูเดียจากกูชอบเดียก็แต่ได้ตูนทอชิตองแล้วก็มือปืนโจชิตองยอมมอนตู้ก็เกิดปืนของหมดจ้วงก็ภาษาเบากูบอกได้จริง Look around my fan base and they ready. That last album was heavy. That last album was gritty. How you gonna match that? Just let me do what I do best. You're better off playing Russian roulette than coming in a booth with me, cause I get